today we're going to be taking a look at this portable storage shed. Now this is that perfect answer for if you need to store something like some bicycles, maybe a motorcycle, firewood, fireplaces, your kids' toys, anything that you need that extra storage for. This is that answer. It was super easy to assemble. It did take me about an hour, hour and a half, and you could definitely do this with one person. Now this thing is super sturdy. It's actually constructed with 19 gauge galvanized steel, and everything is assembled super easy. Like I said, every piece is actually numbered and they just click into place with each other. You don't need any tools besides the spanner that they supply, and everything is included. The exterior tarp is waterproof at 220 GSM. So let's take a closer look. So the box comes nice and sturdy, so everything is tightly in there, nothing's going to get damaged. And everything is packaged with the numbers in its groups, so it's all very easy to assemble. I did start by joining the roof structure and then putting the tarp over top. You'll see with the tarp that there is seams lined up perfectly, so you'll know exactly where to place them. Now the end panels do get tied on with these ties, and you want to put them underneath so that the outside flap covers them. They do come with these feet that you put on once you've built the whole structure, and they do actually come with pegs for you to peg it down. In this case, I have not attached it to the ground, because I will be eventually attaching it to the concrete that it is sitting on, and this is one of the 2 times you'll need to use the spanners. There's 2 spanners with 2 different sizes on each, so you have the exact right tools for both of them. When sliding this in, do be careful. You obviously don't want to damage the tarp. It is waterproof, so you don't want to be putting any holes in or anything. So you just want to carefully slide that in and connect it. And you repeat this on every corner. And of course it does come with a very sturdy and easy to use zipper, so you can actually zip it up. And it does come with this vent mesh, so no insects can get in, and it's breathable. As you can see, there is a bunch of room for me to be storing a lot of my stuff that I've got in my backyard. So if the portable shed is something that you are interested in, we are going to leave a link in the description. Please feel free to leave a comment below on what you would use this for. Share it with some friends, hit that like button, and of course hit subscribe for more great reviews like this.